Buongiorno. We are looking at how to say with the typical Italian pronunciation, my love. In Italian, how do you translate? How do you say my love in Italy? How do you pronounce this phrase? In Italian, it is said as amore mio, amore mio, amore mio. It'd be fine in English if you cannot roll the Italian R to say it as amore mio, amore mio from Italian, amore mio. And now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting and often confusing and often, very often, useful Italian vocabulary that many get wrong. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.